Hello friends, welcome to Dream Civil Services. This is part 2 of how to crack UPSC PT. In my previous video, I discussed full strategy of how to crack UPSC PT exam with analysis of 3-year paper of Indian history. So please watch that video also if you want to crack UPSC PT. Now let's start with the full strategy of polity today. From polity अराउंड 15 क्वेश्चंस कम इन एग्जाम. सो पॉलिटी सेक्शन से 15 के आसपास क्वेश्चन आते हैं. टुडे आई विल टेल व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ पॉलिटी एंड हाउ टू रीड लक्ष्मीकांत एंड व्हाट आर द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर आल्सो. For polity there is a book of Lakshmikant which is very important for this exam. You have to read that book and what is the strategy to cover the topic from this book and which are the important topics or which you have to read, that I will discuss in coming slides. Start reading of Lakshmikant from there is a chapter of making of Indian Constitution. So start this book from this chapter. And there is a chapter of historical underpinnings which is very important for exam point of view. Every year 1 to 2 questions come from this chapter. So read composition of Constituent Assembly from this, and from historical underpinnings there are different acts are given which are very important for polity, and as well as it will help you in history part also, like acts from 1773 to 1935 or 1947. So these acts are very important. Read these acts first. Then start from the President chapter. Read President chapter. It is very important because there are around 1 to 2 questions will come in exam. And along with President chapter, read Governor, then Vice President, then read Emergency Provisions. Read this chapter together. After that, Governor and President chapter is very important, and around 1 to 2 questions will come in this exam from emergency and even from the Vice President also. Then go to Center State Relation chapter and Interstate Relation chapter. This is very important chapter. This will give you a glance of legislative relations or legislative part of the center and state as well. Now after that come to PM Prime Minister chapter and Council of Minister at center level, and then go to State Council of Minister. Read this chapter together. This is also very important. 1 to 2 question comes. Now then go to Parliamentary System chapter and read Parliament chapter also. Parliament chapter is very important. Even there is one video of my in that video I covered that Parliament chapter in 20 minutes. So please see this video. I covered all the important things of this chapter, and this is the lengthiest chapter of Lakshmikant. So please see that video. It will really help you. Then go to State Legislature chapter along with the Parliament chapter. This is very important for state PCS exams as well as for UPSC. Now then come to Supreme Court and High Court. From Supreme Court, Chief Justice, like impeachment of judges and their work and issues, like writs, articles. Even previous year there was a question on writs from article 142. So this is very important chapter also. Then go to High Court. High Court chapter is very important for state PCS as well as for UPSC. After that chapter, read CAG, Attorney General and Advocate General. There are 2 chapters, 2 parts like constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. Then read these chapters. First read constitutional bodies and then non-constitutional body. Around 2 to 4 questions come from these chapters. And I will provide video on both constitutional and non-constitutional body. In 10 to 20 minutes you will learn all the things from this chapter. So wait for the coming video. Go to salient feature of constitution like schedules and what are the sources of the constitution at glance. This is also very important. Read some important article. I will provide one video on important articles and schedule also. There was a question of schedules like schedule 4 and 5 is very important. Questions will come from schedule 4, 5, even 11 schedule and 12 schedule is also important for exam point of view. Schedule 6 is also very important. There was a question on Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog is also very important along with Finance Commission. And election chapter in Election Commission is also very important. And anti-defection law is also important. Now go to commissions like all national commission like women, SC, ST, OBC. This is also very important for exam. Particularly OBC, National Commission for OBC, and citizenship, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and DPSP. These are very important question every year. In chapters every year there is a question from fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and DPSP. Even in previous year there was a question on protection of untouchability from the Article 17 of the Constitution, that is fundamental right, and also there was a question from the DPSP also. So read this chapter and please read it carefully and give importance to analytical part of these fundamental rights and duties. Even I will cover this chapter in my coming videos. Now come to local bodies like Panchayati Raj and municipalities. This is also very important. There are commissions from the Panchayati Raj chapter like Ashok Mehta and Banwalt Rai Committee, GKV Rao Committee. These are very important committees for the exam. Now Constitutional Amendment Act, like recent Constitutional Amendment Act are very important, and 44th and 42nd is also very important for exam. Now come to Supreme Court and High Court. This I discussed already. Previous year there was a question from governor and what was the power of governor and its view related to Sarkariya Commission. Read Sarkariya Commission, Panchi Commission in detail, and also read governor, very important for the exam point of view. And in UPSC there is no direct question like PCS में direct question पूछे जाते हैं, but UPSC में analytical way में question आते हैं from governor and all this chapter. So read it in very detailed manner. Now in polity there are questions from the current also, like questions from the schemes and budget, and there are the questions from if there is any article in the news like right to privacy was in news, right to liberty, and also question from the money bill also. And committees of parliament is very important part for the this exam, even for the PCS exam also. Committees are given in the parliament chapter, and even in my coming lectures I will discuss all the committees of parliament. Now come to union territories. As union territory there was a question on Article 370 and Article 35A, so read it in very detail. And tribunal is also very important for exam. And in Lakshmikant, appendix part is very important for exam. There are so many parts like schedule, articles are given, even amendment act are discussed, and 3 lists like center, state, and concurrent list is also given. So read the appendix part of Lakshmikant carefully. It is very important, as well as chapters are important for the exam. Friends, keep watching Dream Civil Services. I will cover all the chapters in my coming videos related to polity, history, and other subjects also. Please share this video with your friends also, so they can take benefit from this video, and it will be very helpful for the exam of UPSC and other state PCS exam. So for this exam, right guidance is very important, and what to read and what to not to read is very important part. Wait for the upcoming videos, and please subscribe, share, and like Dream Civil Services. Jai Hind.